was a sight for my soul.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We're already at the Cars and Coffee this morning. It's still dark, so it's pretty early, but there's so many sick cars here that I want to show you guys. It's gonna be awesome. Check this out, guys. So we got a 600 LT in a very cool green. This thing looks sick. Wow. Got the exhaust coming out of the back. Wow. Could you guys go any one of my videos without seeing one of these? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check it out. We got a GTT R34. Pretty clean. I feel like I may have seen this guy around before. Not really sure. It's really starting to fill in though. Check out this RS7. Dang. I love the matte gray color. And this one's done up really nice. Like the wheels, like the color, the whole stance of the car. This thing is nuts. I would not mind totally dailying one of these. I think it's a pretty awesome daily driver. Super fast too. Talking about sick daily drivers. Oh man, this Jeep is nuts. Oh, Girth Nation. Dang, this thing is crazy. I love it. I'm not usually a big fan of Jeeps, but this thing is nasty. It's a Trackhawk, so 700 horsepower, I believe, 7.7. And yeah, like the yellow brakes. Really, really cool. Very nice build. This wing is massive on here. Probably the most interesting one I've seen. It's pretty cool for sure. So these start off as pretty much G35s.
If that works, that'd be great. If not, what I was gonna do is I was just gonna wedge it up just a little and get my sawzall and just go right underneath it. Just your leg will.
Check out the back of the VADOR. Looks pretty cool. Got kind of a cool diffuser here on the bottom. Wing, I'm not sure if this is, I don't think it's carbon. I don't think so, but I don't want to say that for a fact. But look at those wheels again, Jesus. Talk about the deep dish. They gotta be like 22s, I don't know. Inside's pretty nice though. They got it done up pretty much in nice fabric. Cool seats. Got a first gen NSX, a new NSX, a couple Huracans, but over here we have dun 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 the Ford GT. Not only the Ford GT, but we also have the LaFerrari over there, totally flexing. Man, these cars are nuts. That's the shot right there. Wow. Very cool. These Ford GTs are so wide. Dang.
This one, yeah.
It's amazing. Man. Girth Nation. And of course the LaFerrari. Wow, look at the interior of this thing. Oh, very cool. Wow. So obviously the Ford GT and the LaFerrari are drawing the biggest crowds here because, you know, well, it's a LaFerrari and Ford GT. Something that Florida has at their Cars and Coffee that you guys may not have at yours, well, it's a bald freaking eagle right there. Yeah. That's pretty cool, right? It's totally flexing for everybody. Oh yeah. America. There's actually a VADOR haul here. If you guys haven't heard of these, I think they're fairly new. I've seen them on other YouTube channels myself. Check this out. This thing is pretty cool. So it's supposed to compete with the other three-wheel vehicle out there. I forget, the Polaris, the Slingshot. So this is supposed to compete with the Slingshot. I do think these look a little bit better, and I think they're overall cooler. See the kind of really cool retro gauges on there, and the steering wheel. That's red paint. I think these have like 230-ish horsepower. I could be wrong on that, don't quote me. Cool indeed. Wow. Definitely looks way better though. We got a Cobra, maybe a kit car, maybe not a kit car. I have no idea, I don't really know much about them, but I always like them when I see them on the road, whether they're kit cars or originals. They still look really cool. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of cool things here, guys. This is one of probably the best cars and coffees around for kind of just seeing like cool things. Because we got another one over there. And there's just little old me right over there. Oh, and it's Joe Rady doing Not My Car. Come on, Joe. My good old sedan just chilling. Just chilling. Ooh, but she looks nice today. What? What? What is this, the Batmobile? Jesus. These literally never get old seeing them. I mean, obviously, why would it? It's the VADOR. But this thing's nasty, dude. Nasty. Check that out in there. Wow. Clearly my favorite Lamborghini. Like probably most people. But this thing is sick. They got the doors in 4 GT pop. Let's check it out. Carbon work on the door. You can see the carbon on the doors. All made up of that all the way down. Cockpit of the Ford GT. Wow. Carbon tub all on the bottom. This is crazy. Still not a fan. Nope. So which one would you guys take? The 720S or the 600 LT? That is the question. For me, honestly, the 720S. Gotta still take the 720S. I mean, I do love the 600 LT, but it's a 720S. It's a heads up for the cold start.
They turn it off.
Blue is so nice. We're gonna try to get a cold start up here on the Ford GT. So everybody, I think this is going to wrap up our time at this Cars and Coffee as, well, I'm getting hungry. So is this effectively the end of the video? I'm not really sure. It may be the end of the video, it may not be the end of the video. Looks like we're going to find out right now.